Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you the easy step-by-step how to block any spam comment on your website so that if anyone wants to spam you, that spam will go, their comment will go to your spam box area so that you get rid of any spam that can get you into trouble. So you can manually do this on your website. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get down and see what you can do with that. So let's go. So you want to block spam comment on your website. Here is how to do that. So you want to go, let's go over to one of my websites there. Here is how you want to manually block any spam or email or comment on your website that want to get into trouble. So you want to go into settings area here. So then you want to go to discussion here. So you want to click discussion. So here at the discussion area, at the comment moderation, here. So you can add words like sex, drug, share list, all the words that you don't like. If someone is sending you a message that's containing these words here, you can just type it here. Drug, you can type it here. Sex, share list, you can type it here. Crypto, you can type it here. You can type it there. You can type any word that pertaining to that you don't like, the spam words that's spamming your website. So you just add them here. Then if anyone comment on your website containing these words, it's going to be automatically blocked. Okay. What you can also block is if you scroll down here at the disallow comments case. So what you can also block is domain, is the domain name. So if someone is comment on your website that you don't like or messaging you with their email address, containing email address of this type here, you can just type the email address of that person here, of this domain here, will automatically go to the spam box. You can also block email address. So if an email address is sending you a comment or email address to your website, you can type the email address here and you're ready to go. That email will be blocked from messaging you or comment on your website. You can also block IP address, the IP address of the owner. So just type the IP address. This is an example of IP address there. And any comment, any message from this IP address will be automatically blocked. So manually, you can block email address, domain, you can block IP address, you can block comments, you can block comments containing words like drug, beer, all these words, and you can add more words there. So when you finish, just scroll down here and hit save changes. So now all this thing has been blocked. So that's how you block any comments, spam comments on your website. If anyone is spamming you with their comments, so you just type in the email address, the domain, the words that they use containing the comments, or their IP address. So unblock them manually. You can do that on your website. That's how you do it manually. So guys, if you have any question or anything concerning this video right here, let me know down below. Drop your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.